Oh, hey guys, I'm making a quick video. I have this big mess here. I am making tombstones for an indoor haunted house at the library. Cora's my helper. She's making a scarecrow and she's got a bag wrap. She's got arms and legs to go. She's doing a head. I thought I'd give you guys a little video considering I have to get these done. Of course, what day is it? Say Monday. So, of course, Thursday is Halloween, and we're setting up on Wednesday night. So this is what I've been working on. So I have cardboard and cutting out the shapes of tombstones here. And these kind of projects I cannot video or record on my computer, but I thought I'd give you guys a little quick heads up on what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is cutting out my shapes. I am putting edges all around and centers. So that's what I'm doing. And then after that, it gives it so then the cardboard doesn't collapse. So here's some big pieces of tombstone here that I've made for the library. And then I just got to cover it up, paint them, and then put whatever I want on them. So this is it. The cardboard here is all along the edges. I have 3 pieces going across for my so then it doesn't collapse, and then I have my bottom piece, 2 pieces of cardboard glued together, and then the edges here are glued to hold it secure so then it'll stand on our haunted house at the library. I filled in these little gaps here on this side. The back side I didn't bother with the gaps because I didn't want to waste the glue for the glue stick. And then I got, like I said, cover it up, the creases and that kind of thing. And then that's my indoor tombstones for our haunted house. So here is what I'm doing. So basically Cora is going to hold the phone just to see what I'm doing on the tombstone only. Come closer. And without wiggling. So basically I'm just, after you get your shape, I'm just doing these so nothing collapse here, the stability of it all. Stability, can't speak. And just hot gluing my edges down. Just like that. Once I get my edges down, like I said, I put pieces in between to keep it from collapsing, falling in. And then I just glue my outside board after. Cut these all ahead of time. I been just trying to get all this stuff done. I kind of left these things. I thought I had styrofoam downstairs to build them, but I don't. So now I'm just kind of, actually I'll make this one a little bit more in the center. Now I'm just trying to use cardboard because it's free. And that's what I'm doing. And the only thing I have to pay for is obviously the glue and the paint, but sometimes it's worth it. It's nicer than those little dollar store ones that blow away and that kind of thing. And for just the day, I think it'll last. And for us, we're using indoors, so I think it'll last for use for many more years to come. And then of course, I just got to finish up my edges here, which I will do right now. I like to bend it, and then I'm just kind of doing the fastest job possible here. I mark where I put my glue along here. I don't want it to dry out, although I'm using a high heat, but still don't want to waste any glue. And that is the easy peasy way to make tombstones for fun, indoor kids party, library, haunted house, that kind of thing for family fun. So now I'm just going to continue. What I did too to keep the shape, it's not perfectly shaped, but once I cut and draw one side, I just flip it to the other side so then I have the exact shape. It doesn't have to be exact, you know, the best curves or whatever. It's old tombstones, but I do flip over what I cut to the other side just to get it matching the best I can. I'm not a measurer. You guys who know me, I don't, I do measure when I need to, but if I can find an easy way to do it, I will. like I'm doing right now, just marking off with my pen. And then there we go. You could do a little paper mache over it. I don't think I'm going to do that much. It's going to be a dark scenery. We might, you know, just paint them and that kind of thing. I don't think I'm going to go crazy with it. And let this glue cool. And then I have my top 1/2 done. Then I just cut a base, a double piece of cardboard or whatever, and
10% battery on your phone.
And then have my base made. So that is that. Let's see here. I'm just going to try quickly glue this before I lose my battery.
Dies really fast.
So I could plug in my phone cord. You want to pass me that and then go get my plug-in over there. Sorry guys. So I'm just going to glue this down. Keep it over here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Of course, it's an old tombstone. Thank you, Cora.
Plug it in.
Okay, Cora. Don't go it on me. Just go it on the
Tombstone.
tombstone. And then easy way to do a fun, easy indoor tombstone. So I believe this is matching. I kind of, like I said, I flip it over. I got, if it's a bit off, it's okay. I got glue up to
It's
a certain
backwards.
point. It's okay. I got glue up to a certain point, and then I could just kind of bend that back to add more glue in there if I want to do that. That's what I've been doing with the other ones. Just bend them back here. Quickly add more glue. Now I'm going super fast here for the video here, so it doesn't take too long. But I just wanted to give you that little idea. It doesn't take long to make a couple of these for the yard or front door area. And then there we go. Then you can layer them with paper or just paint over them and then put whatever you want on your funny little quote. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little thing. Share anything that's kind of off. You can just cut the edges. It's not perfect, but it's really cute. And then, like I said, I make my base, and that's about that. And it makes my little part here just. It's not perfect, but it's good for a little prop. Hope you guys like that. Talk to you guys all later. Bye.
Bye-bye.